Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Super Geeked, and we're here for another video. Today I have an unboxing. Well, actually, it's an unbagging. I bought a mystery bag from a fellow reseller, Kristen, over at Voyage is a Verb, and today I'm going to unbag it with you. So stick around and we'll get into the bag and see what's in it. So I was up on Instagram one night and Kristen from Voyage is a Verb posted that she was doing some mystery boxes. I did her swipe up and it was actually for a mystery bag of, I think some basics for $49. But then I noticed that she had also put up one of designer or favorite brands for around $80. So I did purchase that, and with shipping it came out to around $90. But as you can see, it's a big bag. Now, if you don't know who Voyage is a Verb is, I don't know Kristen personally, but I do follow her on Instagram. She and her husband have a website called Twice Our Cost, where she goes out and sources at places like Buffalo Exchange and then sells mid-tier or popular designer brands for twice what she paid. So I've actually purchased 2 items from them before for me personally that I really liked. A cute pair of Levi's that had bows on them, very much my style, and a pretty little pink turtleneck. So I was happy with my order. They're very trusted in the reseller community. I don't usually buy mystery boxes from fellow resellers, but I thought, what the heck? I know that Kristen recently started working full-time. Her husband is now working full-time. So their resale business is part-time. And I thought that's probably why she's doing some of these mystery boxes. So I felt comfortable knowing the types of brands she sells, the type of reseller that they are, that this would probably be a good buy. So let's get into the bag. Okay, and then here's the inside of the bag. So we're just gonna start pulling things out. The first thing on top is new with tags. And it is, okay, this is a cute top. Is a brand I've actually never heard of. This is, it looks like a basic sweater on the front, and then on the back, there is this big cutout with this cool little twist, and it is new with tags. So I'll have to look up comps on this brand because I don't know anything about this brand. So I'll pop them up on the screen so you can see what I can expect to get for these items. Okay, we got another new with tags item. All right, so I do know this brand. It is Rag & Bone, and these are some lace-up stretchy pants, slip-on style with the elastic waistband. These should do really great. I love the detailing. There is no price on it, but Rag & Bone usually retails for a lot. So, and it has a fairly good resale value still, so I'm happy with that. Okay, what's next? We got another black piece. Okay, I know this brand, and I'm actually kind of excited to see what this is. Okay. This is, if you have seen my plus size brands video, then you saw me talk about this brand. It's called Universal Standard. It is a very popular plus size brand. This is a wrap front dress. It's going to be hard for me to show on camera, so I will pop up a stock photo when I find it so you can see what it looks like. But this is a great plus size brand to know about. I have never sold it. It has 3/4 length sleeves with these cool buttons. And if I liked wrap dresses, they don't look right on me. I would probably keep that for myself, but I'm gonna go ahead and resell it. All right, I see polka dots. And if you've been around our channel for a while, you know your girl loves polka dots. If you are new, we would love for you to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button down below and join our little family here. This is a brand that I know very well. It is this cute little pencil skirt with this adorable belt. Oh, I love polka dots. They're just everything. So it is new with tags, and it is Hugo Boss. And the retail value on this one was $275. So I am very happy about that piece. Okay, we have something red with big buttons. What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, definitely not disappointed in this. It is St. John Couture. Look at this blazer, you guys. It is obviously knit, as St. John is known for their knit. It has these sweet cuffs with the big buttons and the big buttons all down the front. Looks to be in excellent condition. I don't see anything wrong with this item. Very impressed with that. Okay, yay, we got more polka dots. I think she might have themed these from the looks of it. Let's see. Yay, we have another polka dot. I love polka dots. Okay, what are we? All right, so next up, we have this beautiful cobalt blue polka dot dress with this ruching detail in the front. And it is by designer Stuart Parvin. Very cute. It has tiny little shoulder pads in the inside that you can see. Wow, I really like this dress. It's almost like this bag was curated just for me. So funny. The best thing about this tag, let me read you what it says. It says, by appointment of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Stuart Parvin, Couture, London. I think it may be vintage. I'm not sure. I don't see a size tag, so I'll have to do a little bit more research. But again, I'll pop up the comps. But so far, very happy with this bag. Definitely got my money's worth, that's for sure. I kind of wish I would have bought two of them. Oop. All right, next piece is a brand that you all probably have heard of, and it is Joie. And it's this cute dress. It's very Lagan look, actually. It's got these huge pockets on the front, and then it's got a drop waist. It is a shift style dress with this cool belt that ties, that has like a quilted effect on it, and then it has ties in the front. Oh, I really like this. Very cool. And it's a great size, extra large. So I think that will do great. Okay, and this is a pretty eggplant color. This is Rebecca Taylor. It's a size 2, and it's just a pretty little eggplant A-line dress with a skater skirt. Very pretty. So that's awesome. Okay, just a couple more pieces. Okay, this is a brand that I usually don't pick up J. Crew, but I have been picking up J. Crew a lot lately. You'll see a lot of new stuff listed in my closet in my stores because I've been finding it new with tags. And so this is another J. Crew piece. There's the tag. It's a size small, and it is new with tags. The original retail price on this was $89.50. And it's just a lightweight knit sweater, but it is pink and has a collar. Whose style is this? I'm telling you, I feel like this bag was curated for me. I love this. So great. If Kristen does any more of these bags, I'm totally snagging another one. All right, and this is the last item. What is this? Okay, this is a really cool sweater. It's a cream color, and what was throwing me off is it has all of these buttons all the way across. Even at the neckline, you see that? There's even a button with a buttonhole here. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? That's the neckline. So, and then the sleeves. So I guess you just unbutton the two in the middle, and there you have it. But here's the brand, and it's All Saints. I don't find a lot of All Saints in my area, so I'm excited to have this. It's a nice mid-weight sweater, so it'll be good for transition. It does have 10% cashmere and 40% wool, so that's cool. So yeah, got me an All Saints sweater. Overall, I am so happy with this bag. I am so glad I happened to be up on Instagram and saw them right as she posted them. Like I said, I almost wish I had gotten two, but you know, with mystery boxes, you just don't know. And at least somebody else had an opportunity to grab one, because I only think she had a select amount of them. But Kristen, if you happen to watch this, I am very happy with my bag. Thank you so much, and I look forward to listing it and seeing how these items do. So I hope all of you enjoyed unbagging this mystery bag with me, and you got to see my honest reaction. I have to tell you, I don't have much patience. Most of the time I'm peeking in my mystery boxes before I record a video, but I saved the reactions for you. So very happy about my box. If you aren't following Voyage as a Verb, then go find them over on Instagram. I will put a link to their Instagram below, and definitely check out Twice Our Cost, because you can find some great, like I said, mid-tier designers for really great prices. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.